Happy Tuesday. Thanks for clicking to WYTV.com. I'm meteorologist Ryan Halicki. Into your Wednesday, a quick moving storm system passing through. Behind it, some colder air. Our Wednesday will not be as warm, and it's also going to try and touch off a few snowflakes here. That colder air bringing a chance for a little lake effect into your Wednesday morning. This is not going to be a major storm system by any means, not very impactful, but there are a couple of things we'll keep an eye on into the morning. For starters, not much in the way of accumulation, but an isolated dusting or a light coating is possible in a few spots, and it will be cold enough that that snow could stick. So what we'll be keeping an eye out for, there's a small chance for a couple of slick spots out there, mainly during the morning. We'll keep an eye on that, but again, this is not going to be a major impact storm system by any means. I actually think the bigger impact with this is going to be the wind chills. With today being pretty mild, our Wednesday feels much colder. By the morning, we're looking at wind chills down into the teens, as low as the teens possible there, and throughout the day, wind chills between about 15 to 25 degrees continuing into Wednesday evening. So it will feel much colder for you if you're heading out and doing any of that last minute shopping. Yeah, you'll want the jacket that's a little heavier and one that perhaps can break the wind. As we get into the afternoon here, you see the snow I showed you in the morning. By noon, not a whole lot of that left. It starts to fizzle out. I wouldn't rule out a few flurries, especially as you get into northern and eastern Trumbull County, into northern and eastern Mercer County as well, the primary snow belt, with that lake effect starting to wind down. Still could be a few flurries that linger past the 12 o'clock hour. Now, temperatures, they don't warm very much. At most lower 30s for highs. A blustery day. We'll look for a little sun, and into our Wednesday night, those clouds do thin out a bit. So a mostly clear start to our Thursday with temperatures, yeah, a little colder. Lower 20s for the lows there. Now, clouds will build back in on Wednesday, and there's going to be a push of some warmer air that will really start to surge in as we head into Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. But what that'll do, it tries to touch off a few more snow showers here, or a mix of a little rain and snow as we get into Thursday afternoon. Notice our temperatures, they're showing above the freezing mark, at or above there. So that's going to help out with preventing any widespread slick travel conditions. We will keep an eye on this. We could get a little bit of accumulation perhaps on grassy surfaces especially, and you notice that doesn't last very long. In fact, fizzling out by the late evening here, and then into Christmas Eve, we're going to start seeing those temperatures heading back in the other direction, turning much warmer here. The storm system will be working in from the west, so while Christmas Eve starts dry with a lot of clouds, as we get into the evening, I am expecting to see some showers starting to develop here. Most of that looks like after sunset, with rain becoming likely into Christmas Eve night into Christmas morning. So it does look like Santa is going to have the rain jackets on as he jumps from the rooftops across the valley here, and we'll look for that rain lingering into your Christmas day as we go through with showers likely through our Saturday into Saturday evening. So soggy for Christmas, not quite the type of showers that I think a lot of us were hoping for. It does not look like a white Christmas this year. Next 24 hours, we're looking at wind chills high on the hassle factors list here. It'll be noticeably colder Wednesday. Snow, a brief whiteout or some slick spots low on the list, but possible here, especially as we get into the morning. We'll look for that chance for snow coming up by sunrise. 26 degrees our low. It will be a chillier morning with spotty snow showers and flurries, and those winds becoming noticeably more blustery as we get into the morning hours. For the afternoon, lower 30s, that's it. Again, this will not produce a lot of accumulation. Most of the snow we'll see will be in the morning, and we're looking at wind chills between 15 to 25 throughout the day. Now, Thursday starts off dry, but into the evening, that chance for a little bit of rain or snow, a mix of the two, and then into Christmas Eve, we start Christmas Eve dry. I do expect a lot of clouds around, and what we'll look for as we get into the latter part of the day, those showers coming into play, developing as we come up on Christmas Eve night. Christmas Day, scattered showers around, but notice the temperatures here. Mid-40s, what we'll get up to as we get into the late evening hours of our Friday, continuing to warm into Christmas Day, where we make our way to the 50s. So it is going to be a mild one. If you have presents that you have to take with you to those Christmas Day dinners, you may want to bring a plastic bag with you if you want to keep the wrapping paper from getting wet. With scattered showers there, and then into Sunday, we do drop our temperatures a little bit here. Chance for a little bit of rain or snow mixing in during the colder parts of the day, and the pattern really unsettled into early next week. Still going to be watching for that chance for showers on Monday, and also a chance for a mix of some rain and snow next Tuesday.